This video is sponsored by Project2Payment. More on them soon. If you clicked on this video, then you must have cleaning business goals. And I want to help you reach them as fast as possible. To get started right now, I want you to think about this question. Like, really think about it. Where will you be at in your life and business by the end of 2025? I know where I want you to be. The question is, are you with me? So, do you want to know why 2025 presents such an incredible opportunity for cleaning business owners? And do you want to know why you owe it to yourself to make this the year you crush your goals? There are two reasons which we're getting into, starting right now. Reason number one is that this industry continues to see incredible growth. At the end of 2023, the global cleaning industry was worth about $388 billion, and it's projected that by 2033, the value will increase to just under $730 billion. In other words, it will almost double in the next 10 years. But what's driving this insane level of growth? Demand. There is a rising demand for all cleaning types as populations expand, and lifestyles continue to become busier. And even though we help students build businesses in all of these cleaning types, let's talk more about the two most common, residential and commercial. In residential, the primary factor behind this increase in demand is higher disposable incomes and dual income households. And there are people, like a lot of people, who value taking some of that income and hiring a cleaning business. For older ones, this means they can spend more time doing the things they want to do. For younger ones with families, it means they can focus more on the many activities their kids have. What about commercial cleaning? Notice this quote. Commercial spaces such as offices, retail establishments, and healthcare facilities dominate the market. This segment benefits from steady demand due to contractual agreements, specialized cleaning requirements, and the need to maintain professional environments. There are some key takeaways here. First, it mentioned contractual agreements, and this means a couple of things. Many commercial clients rent their workspaces, and quite often they're required by their landlords to properly maintain those spaces. This increases demand. Even when a commercial client owns their workspace, it still needs to be cleaned for the health and safety of those that work there. And on top of that, as a cleaning business owner, I enter into contractual agreements with my commercial clients, which brings financial stability to my business. And notice it also mentioned specialized cleaning requirements. This goes back to what I say on this channel all the time. Cleaning is an expertise. Lots of clients realize this and are willing to pay a lot of money for better cleaning providers who can care for these specialized cleaning requirements. Does this mean commercial cleaning is somehow better than residential? Not at all. There is tremendous opportunity in all cleaning types, construction and vacation rental cleaning included. And one of the things we teach our coaching students is how to capitalize on the opportunities that align with their goals and market. And if right now you're thinking, but Bethany, look at all the cleaning businesses on Google. There is no way I can compete in my market. Then you need to understand a few things. Number one, a lot of cleaning businesses on Google does not equal a lot of good cleaning businesses. There will always be a demand for cleaning providers who offer better services. Number two, you have no idea how active those businesses even are. Some may have a lot of reviews, but could be at capacity and turning down work. Some may only have a few reviews and aren't even trying to get business anymore, while others may have given up entirely and shut down their businesses, yet they are still listed on Google. And number three, we already established. The demand in this industry continues to rise, and it is not an industry that's going anywhere anytime soon. Before we go on, I want to take a moment to share some exciting news about the sponsor of this video, Project2Payment. Project2Payment is my favorite tool for all things invoicing and customer management, and they just released some powerful new features. First up is scheduling, so you can easily keep track of jobs, both one-time and recurring. And with the calendar view, you'll never double book. Managing weekly or monthly cleaning jobs also just got easier with recurring projects. Create a project once, and it will automatically populate on your calendar and send an invoice after each job. And email blasts put the power of communication at your fingertips. Inform clients about jobs or ask for reviews and referrals right from your account. All of these features and more can be yours for just $20 a month. And if you use my link in the description below to sign up, then you'll get 3 months free. So be sure to check them out, and let's get back to the video. So reason number 1 you should make this your year was all about the incredible growth coming to this industry. And reason number 2 is about all the benefits you'll receive for tapping into this growth. So what are those benefits? Well, in addition to being super profitable, having low startup costs, and having tons of demand, here are 5 more reasons why I started my cleaning business 25 years ago. And looking back over those 2.5 decades, every single one of them is still true. First, you get to build something you own. Maybe in the back of your mind, you have this nagging thought. Why am I putting so much time and effort into building someone else's business when I could be building my own? Or if you already have your own cleaning business, maybe you've gotten stuck just maintaining the level it's at, but you have goals for something more. Either way, build what you want and gain the satisfaction that comes from that. Next up is freedom. There is just something about being in control. Your decisions, your goals. And once you taste that for yourself, it's hard to ever go back to working for someone else again. Next is you get to make your own schedule. To a large extent, the types of cleaning clients you go after and whether you hire out the cleaning or not will affect your schedule. But ultimately, you're in control of this because it's your business. And beyond the day-to-day work schedule, you're also in control of when you can schedule time off. One of the things people hate the most about working for someone else is always fighting for the same vacation days everyone else wants. And not having to worry about that is a pretty indescribable feeling. Next up, no boss. Enough said. And lastly, unlimited income potential. There are 2 things that are typically always decided for you when you work for someone else: how much you can earn and how many hours you are required to work. In other words, say you're really good at your job and extremely focused, and you get more work done in less time than anyone else. What's the reward for that? Usually, you just get more work for the same pay. But when you own your own cleaning business, there are no limits or restrictions. So if you're a solo cleaner and you can get twice as fast, then you can either work half the hours or find more clients and make double the money. Or if you hire out the cleaning, then there really is no limit to how big you can grow. So I'm gonna ask you again, where will you be at in your life and business by the end of 2025? I know where I want you to be, so make 2025 your year. Capitalize on the incredible growth this industry will continue to see, and focus on all the benefits you'll receive when you do. If you'd like to learn how I can help you, then please check out my coaching program at the link below. It is a complete step-by-step roadmap on how to reach your cleaning business goals as fast as possible while skipping all of the expensive mistakes I see so many making. You can also sign up for my completely free newsletter, where each week I will teach you even more right in your inbox. Thank you again to Project2Payment for sponsoring this video. You'll find a link below where you can get 3 months free. And if you're new around here, then watch this video next, and let's keep building what you want together.